This video I will explain how to earn rewards and cashback on Google Pay. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital payment app made by Google. Using that, you can send money, receive money, pay bills, recharge mobiles, shop online, and even you can earn rewards and cashback for using it. It works through a system called UPI, which connects directly to your bank account. So there is no need to add money to your wallet. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. What are rewards and cashback? Rewards are special gifts or bonuses that Google Pay gives you when you complete certain tasks, like sending money, paying bills, or making purchases. Cashback means real money that goes directly into your bank account after a transaction. Google Pay uses offers and scratch cards to give you these rewards. You can earn rewards simply by using Google Pay regularly. For example, send money to your friends or family, pay utility bills like electricity, water, or gas, recharge your mobile or DTH, make online or in store payments at shops that accept Google Pay. Each of these activities may qualify for reward offer. To check the offers section, open the Google Pay app and on the home screen, tab Offers. This section shows all the current reward opportunities like get 50 rupees cash back when you pay your electricity bill. Earn scratch card for sending 150 rupees or more to your friend. Every offer clearly mentions the conditions. For example, minimum payment amount or eligible merchant. You can use scratch cards. After completing an eligible transaction, you may receive a scratch card on your screen. When you tap and scratch it, you can win cashback, which is real money deposited directly to your bank account. Discount coupons for online stores, movies, or services. Special rewards like extra Google Pay points or vouchers. Sometimes the scratch card might say better luck next time. This means no reward for the specific transaction. You can participate in reward campaigns. Google Pay frequently runs reward campaigns like festive offers during Diwali, New Year, etc. Monthly cashback challenges like completing 5 bill payments in a month. Referral bonuses when you invite new users. You can find these campaigns on your home screen or in the Offers tab. For example, invite 3 friends to Google Pay and earn 201 rupees cashback for each successful referral. You can earn through referrals. One of the easiest ways to earn rewards is by referring friends to Google Pay. And for that, what you have to do is tab your profile picture, select invite friends, get rewards, share your referral link or code with friends. When they install Google Pay using your link and make their first payment, you both get cash reward. This money goes straight to your bank account connected to Google Pay. You can pay using Google Pay at stores. When you shop at stores, both online and physical, you can scan a QR code or select Google Pay at checkout. Many stores and brands have special offers like get 10% cashback up to 100 rupees on your first purchase. Earn a scratch card for payments over 200 rupees. Look for eligible for Google Pay offer messages on the app or payment page. You can join Google Pay rewards programs. Some regions have special program called Google Pay Rewards. It allows you to collect points or tokens by completing transactions. When you reach a specific milestone, you can redeem those points for cashback or gift cards. Always check the rewards or offers tab to see if this program is active in your area. You can view all your earned cashback and rewards anytime. For that, open the Google Pay app, tap on your profile picture, select rewards. You will see list of your scratch cards, the cashback amounts you have received, the expiry dates for offers and coupons. You have to understand the reward conditions. Each reward has specific rules, such as a minimum transaction amount, a validity period. For example, offers end on March 31st. Eligible merchants, only certain shops or services. Always read the fine print before making a transaction to ensure it qualifies for the reward. All cashback rewards from Google Pay are deposited directly into your linked bank account. You don't need to transfer manually. It usually happens within seconds or minutes after you win. If a reward does not appear immediately, it may take up to 24 hours. You can track it under the reward section or transaction details. Open Google Pay and here you can see offers and rewards.